Alecrim House, a serene retreat located on the peaceful edges of Brasília, where Brazil's modernist heritage meets untouched natural beauty. Designed by architect Alan Chu, this 130-square-meter residence is part of Alecrim Dreams, an ongoing project that invites visitors to slow down, reconnect with the landscape, and rediscover the simple rhythms of life. At the center of the design are intimate courtyards, small pockets of privacy, intentionally crafted for moments of quiet reflection. These open-air rooms become gentle transitions between indoors and outdoors, reinforcing the idea of living close to nature. They function as breathing spaces, encouraging visitors to pause, look up at the sky, and simply be present. Alecrim House was created with a single intention: to offer an environment where time feels softer and life moves at a slower, more mindful pace. Every architectural decision supports this purpose. Natural light plays a starring role, shaping the interior atmosphere from dawn to dusk. A restrained palette of neutral tones helps reduce visual noise, allowing calmness to rise to the forefront. The home sits on land lovingly cared for by its owners, a couple who have spent more than 20 years nurturing the property. They planted countless trees and established the now iconic lavender field, an element that not only defines the scenery but also provides raw materials for their line of organic products. This deep, long-term relationship with the land becomes the emotional foundation of the house itself. With its minimalist approach, thoughtful material choices, and effortless harmony with the surrounding landscape, Alecrim House embodies the essence of deceleration. It's a reminder that architecture can be more than shelter. It can be a guide toward a more intentional way of living. For anyone seeking design inspiration rooted in simplicity, authenticity, and deep connection to nature, this home offers a beautiful blueprint.